Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back. SRT Dad here. Thanks for joining me today. We are going to talk about today the new headlights I got on the Magnum. I've had them on for a couple weeks now. I haven't really got the chance to review them, but as you can see, the halo rings are now fixed. I actually took them to my boy Omar over at Glow Optics. He purchased some new headlights for me, reinstalled a new halo kit on them, and not only that, we did it on the fog lights as well. It's an RGB halo kit right here is what it looks like, the app. I just opened the app up right now, and watch how, I'm gonna push this start button, watch how this light turns on. It's so cool. Look at that. Oh, there it is. All right, so what it looks like. So you can see, I might flip the car around just so you guys can see the better lighting, but you can change it to any color you want, just like, you see it's red now, just like the Charger. Alright, so here's how it looks like. I flipped the car around just so you can see the lighting a little bit better. So this application has a lot of functions. So there's like a little dynamic mode I can hit here, and you can just start seeing different functions of the lights. So let me go ahead and go to dynamic mode. This is this is number one on here. This has like, I don't even know how many different, 146 different types here, but this is number one. I'll kind of just flip through them right here. That's actually number 146. This is number one. And then you can just start flipping through them. So number one, number two, number three. I think number five is my favorite. Let me go to 5. This is, no, it's not. Number six, number 5, number 6. Oh, look at that, kind of just flinging through all of them. Number 7. Look at that, it's insane. Number 8, 9, 9's pretty cool. 10, I think it was 15, hold on. There it is, 15. You know me, I like red. Look at that. So cool. I think 22 is pretty cool as well. Let's go number 22. Yeah, 22 also pretty cool. It just starts slowly doing its thing on the red. And then you can create your own as well. So if I go do it yourself, I kind of had this one preset, but you can kind of mess with the colors. So let's say I wanted to go yellow right here. You can see that. Yellow, white, and let's change this to red. Let's go red. See that? You can just create your own little mixture of colors as well, which is pretty cool. And as you guys remember, the Charger also has a halo kit, but it's not the Flow series. This is just a regular one. But let's pull out the Charger so you guys can kind of see them both. Got to move the Magnum over a little bit. Make room for the Charger right here. Let's back her up a little bit. Ouch. Ow. Owie. Got the Charger up. There we go. back her up. Let's back her up real quick. Did you know that in 2024, more than 850,000 vehicles were stolen in the United States? So you're probably wondering, what can we do about it? Well, I have a cheap, affordable solution just for you. That is where CarLock comes in. So what is this? It's pretty simple. All I gotta do is plug this into my OBD2 port. There it is. Then next, you just gotta get the CarLock app, register, and there I go. And it's pretty awesome because once you're out of the car, you can essentially enable the CarLock. So when you're outside of your car, if it senses any vibration, if the car moves, if somebody starts the car, it's going to give you an alert on the phone, and it's really, really loud. There it is. Now, if you're interested in buying a CarLock, no, just, I'm gonna put my link down here, you know what I mean? I'll put my link down here, you guys get an extra 10% off, and then I'll put my code. You put this code in below, SRTDADCL, CarLock, SRTDADCL, you're going to get an additional 14 days of free subscription if you guys use my code below. So, there you go. All right, so like I told you guys, the Charger also has a halo kit in it as well. On the fog lights, the ring's actually on the outside, and it's in the inside on the Magnum. I think because, I don't know if Omar just did it that way, or because these are smaller and these are a little bigger. I don't know, who knows? That's how we did it. So let's go ahead and let's turn them both on. So let's start with the Magnum. So left off on that mode, I left it on, but let's go to a solid color. Let's go to white, just kind of compare them. There's white. Let's do the same on the Charger. The Charger's app is different. This is the app, what it looks like. Let's go ahead and turn it on. And there it is. There's the white. That's the Charger. And then there's the Magnum right there. I know what they both look like. Up close right here. Fog lights, headlights, fog lights. You know what it looks like from afar on both. Both really cool. Really cool. So again, I flipped both cars around just so you could kind of see with better lighting here. It's kind of dark in the garage, but this is what it looks like. Again, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Again, this is RGB flow series, and I believe just your regular non-flow series. So if you guys kind of want to know what the Charger can do, I've made a video in the past on it, but just so you guys see the functions the Charger can do. It can do, they're not as advanced, but you can see it's kind of just blinking mode here, green gradual change, things like that. It can do strobe, 7-color strobe flash right there. It's pretty cool. I don't know if this one can strobe. I couldn't find that feature. But there it is, a strobe. But yeah, there you have it, guys. There's both cars. Changes back to white. You know, the halo kits are really an eye grabber, especially for the kids. They just tend to notice it a lot more. I think it's a cleaner look for the cars. Still, my favorite mod on the Charger is the halo lights, more than anything. Like, even more than the cam, I swear. It's just, I don't know. As far as, I guess as far as looks, that's my favorite mod. Maybe I went a little overboard saying better than the cam, but there it is. So the reason I made this video is because I just keep getting questions about the lights. Like, where'd you get them? You can buy them online. I think Oracle sells them already pre-installed. See if I can find a picture or a link. But I think they're like $800 and like already installed. Like the halo's already been in the headlights. Kind of pricey. How much did I pay, if you guys were wondering? I think for the Charger I paid like $700 total. But again, this is just a regular RGB. It's not the flow series like that, like the Magnum. On the Magnum, I ended up paying, I believe, around $1,300, but that's because each headlight, just brand new, costs a couple $100, and then the flow series costs a little bit more, and then the install. So it's not too bad actually, you know, 2025 especially. I know prices went up, but it cost me about $1,300 to get the new headlights, the flow series, and the installation. And as you can see, Omar is a freaking pro. Glow Optics, man. Shout out Glow Optics. Professional. And he did both of them. He did the Charger too. The Charger a long time ago. I think like 3 years ago, I want to say, and it still looks great. There it is, guys. If you guys have any questions on the headlights, just hit the comment section. Appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm SRT Dad, and I'm out.
Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm